Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on Earbud Fit Test on your headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by opening Galaxy application. Now make sure that your headphones connected to your device, then scroll down and click on Sound Quality and Effects, then click on Earbuds Fit Test. So why do we need this test? This test helps ensure you get the best sound quality and noise cancellation by checking if the earbuds are correctly sealing in your ears. So now put the headphones in your ears and then click Start. Now it's checking. And we have a result. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!